So we're doing some more estimating here. Mr. Ricardo bought a set of luggage that regularly sells for $249.95. It was on sale at a discount of 30%. About how much was the discount? Now about, so they're asking us to estimate. And they're asking for the discount here. What's the discount? Most of the problems we've been doing, we find the discount and subtract it from the original amount and find out our sales price. But they're asking for what 30% of $249.95 is. But they're saying about, so I can use some compatible numbers here. I'm looking for 30%. That's pretty compatible of a compatible number. It's 5 cents short of $250. So we're going to be real close if we do figure out $250. So my strategy, if it's a multiple of 10, I can find 10% all day long. 10% of 250, and we've been doing this in class, is 25. So that's 25. So 10% equals 25. So what's 30%? 30 is 3 times the amount of 10. 10 times 3 is 30. So 25 times 3 is 75. 75 is 3 times the amount, 25. So it looks like the discount was $75. So you could subtract $75 about from the total price and get your total answer there. So B, 75 is about the discount. Not quite, but close. Let's look at a hard problem here. We're looking at Jennifer left a $2.40 as a 15% tip for dinner. How much was the dinner? We're looking at proportions here. And when we do tips, we're usually looking at proportions. And whenever you see in the proportions 15%, that's always related to 100. So 15 over 100, 15's the part, 100's the whole. So then for the second number, you just have to ask yourself, is this $2.40, is that the part of it or is it the whole? And this is the part of the portion of the total cost or portion of the dinner. And so that's the top number. That relates to the 15. It's 15% of something over X. We don't know the total cost. Then we do cross products here. 15X equals 100 times $2.40, which would be 240. And you divide each side by, isolate the X, divide each side by 15. Got X alone now, that's pretty cool. Divided by 15. If I work it out, I would get 16 to 40 divided by 15. That's right, 16. So X equals 16. So the total dinner was $16. Okay, so now we can check our answers. So we got the total dinner was $16, but let's check it. So let's see if $2.40 is 15% of 16. Let's find out what 15% of 16 is. 16 times 0.15 equals 2.4. You can see that right here. Just always check your answer. It's really good to check it. So we got that. 15%, 0.15 of times 16 equals 2.4 or $2.40. Yay. Okay, so there's another estimating problem with proportions and percent and finding a tip or a portion of something.